Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Steezy, and in today's video is going to be a little bit different, and I've never done something like this before, but I was recently on Instagram and I did an Instagram vote, and the vote was to A, keep off my rear diffuser and have the exhaust tips stick out, or B, is to order a carbon fiber diffuser. And as you guys can guess already right now, the carbon fiber diffuser did win. So I went ahead and ordered a carbon fiber diffuser, and today I'm going to be unboxing it and installing it, but you guys will get to see my reaction when I unbox it. So let's go ahead and unbox what I've been waiting for. Voila. Super lightweight. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Put my blade out. Alright guys, you ready? Alright guys, we're down to the bubble wrap, and we're there. We just need to undo this tape, and you guys will get to see the carbon. Alright guys, first look at the carbon fiber. Woo! Dang! Look at that carbon. That is glossier than I thought it was going to be. Dang, let's get a better look at this. Now guys, that is a carbon fiber diffuser. Give you guys a better look. Look how glossy, nice carbon fiber that is. I cannot wait to install this. Guys, I am hyped. This is exactly why I did a reaction, because I knew this carbon was just going to look so icy. Alright guys, let's go get it installed. So now that you guys saw me unbox this sexy carbon fiber diffuser from my E92, let's get it installed. I've been waiting a few weeks for this, so I'm super hyped guys. Let's see what it looks like with the brand new carbon fiber. So let me show you guys what it looks like right now without the diffuser. As you guys can see, my exhaust tips are just exposed right here, and that carbon is going to pretty much just cover all of that. So let's get it. So guys, I just got on the new sexy carbon fiber diffuser, and guys, I am so hyped with how it looks. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it didn't fit the best, and I did have some fitment issues, as you guys could see in that clip, and I'm gonna just go over it because I'm always honest with you guys with the products I get. So let me go ahead and show you guys the new carbon fiber diffuser. So as you guys just saw, the new carbon fiber diffuser is on, and it looks so fire. I'm really hyped with how this turned out. It looks super aggressive, and I cannot stop staring at it. But like I said, I am going to go over the fitment issues that I ran into, and that was just on these sides. As you can see, There's a little bit of a gap on this side. Right here isn't so bad. The middle is super flush, but these sides, they just do not want to snap in at both. It's like as if the diffuser is a little bit too short with the measurements, but they do clip into right here, and you can only see these clips when you get super close. From about like 5 feet away, you can't even see this gap. But let me show you guys underneath. I went ahead and added 2 bolts to the bumper right there, and I also have the same thing on this side. I just have those 2 bolts, and obviously I have those clips that clip it in. But other than that, from like a few feet away, it looks super clean and way better. You guys were right with the vote. I should have definitely gotten this carbon fiber diffuser when I just got the bumper, but I'm happy I have it now, guys. It made a super huge change to this car. It looks super aggressive from the rear, and that's exactly what I wanted with this. But I hope you guys enjoyed the carbon fiber diffuser. I hope I could help anyone out who was thinking about getting this one for their E92. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, we out here.